open na. No more guard. Diyo?
Oh.
Nari ako bantay mo. Oh. I-move mo pa siya doon. Para yung sunod na dribble mo, forward na. Go. Ayun, para may iwan mo. Diba? Iwan mo si Daddy. Oh, go. Good. Oh. Hey, yun. Reset lang.
Go. One. 10 dribbles only. Low. B. Pass and shot, pass and shot. Ready, we're using big ball already. In out. Round with the ball, round with the ball. Hitting with the ball, body with the ball. Side degree ball. Short it. In out. Don't look. Guide. Punch out. Nakasama yung float mo. Look in front. Good. Cross it to the left. Go. One. High. Pass and shot. Low. Look forward. B. In out. Side B. In out. Guard. Go. Good. Fine. Up cross. Fine. Ganun. Yes, go. Nikitan. Good. Yan. Tumingin ka na lang sa forward. Huwag kang tumingin sa bola, sabi. Pinapatagal mo eh. Hindi na... Hindi na napapos eh. Go. Up lang. Sige, na-practice ng control ng ball yan. Sige. Ibang speed of the game. Go forward na. Sige, dayo. Masigay tingin yun. Ay, dribble na yan. Go forward na lang kulang sa'yo. Good. Don't flip it up. Punch mo para hindi mo flip it up. Last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Ready? Let's go. Up back. Look forward. 4. Up back. Yan. Up other side. Huwag umalis ball. Last 2. Then, change the cross to between the legs. Up back, then between the legs. Go. Wala naman ka-energy. Good mistake. Kahit malakas yung punch mo, Kenzo, you can stop it low. Stop it low. Para masanay ka na. Go. Dali, last 3. Good. 2, 3,